What did you buy fish for today? What did you buy fish for?
They like the fish,
Who like it?
all of them.
Fish got fine bone in it.
So, in the wild they would eat fish.
I don't know. Very fish.
Give
I
them a
don't
bit.
know what that.
Take one. There's a bag of fish that's open down the bottom. Take one piece of fish out and give it to her.
You to who?
Her.
What about the boy then? Because I wouldn't give them fish in her.
Why?
No,
It's
just with
raw
fine bone.
meat. It's raw, then fine.
Just with fine bone. Zina! Amor, get the cow out of here, man. Get the cat out of
I
here.
just told you what to do. Get back.
Get the cat out of here. I don't know about no fish, man.
You don't know about anything.
No, it's fish, I don't know. Fish is...
Come on.
Did you boil them as well?
Yeah.
Put it outside and get rid of her. Chuck it outside, chuck it outside. Just put it outside. You know, yeah, go on.
Also like a bit of fish. I don't want to waste it all though, will you? You just add it aside, that goes down the bottom. Just add it to your food. Just a couple of pieces of fish. The cat can even have it. So, I'll give you basically the cat to use it. I think Zena liked it. What a piece of fish, Zena?
Throw one out there. Throw one out.
Zena!
Zina, here. Try it out. Oh.
Nice snack for her.
Yeah. I just didn't know what fish because I'm waiting for a fine bone.
That's 3 kilograms of scraps.
It's waiting for a fine bone.
You underestimate God.
No beer. I know bear eats bear eats it, doesn't it?
Bear will eat anything.
Yeah, I mean, and rainbow short on with the fine bone. Someone with fine bone in eye, and then they'll leave it there. They'll leave it there. Going bare, innit? They're not messing around, innit? Well, any bear really.
That's it.
Yeah? That's what I'm called.
Standard charm.
Oh, do you? You can scare them away?
Yeah.
Wow.
Not brown Brown
I mean, they're still strong though.
Yeah, obviously, but you stand a chance with them. Not with brown bears. That thing's still pressurised. I need to check it. It's taking too long. That's it then. How was your lot of barbecue chicken yesterday? All Bill. Mark, did you have barbecue chicken yesterday? No, they can't have that.